Hello, good day everyone. Let's talk about application platform. So this is my video presentation for CSPT10 content. So what is an application platform? In broad terms, it is the foundation upon which software applications are built and run. It provides a set of tools and services that developers can leverage to create, deploy, and manage their applications. So, yung mga platform nga na yan, when it comes to application platform is for developers talaga or gumagawa ng mga applications. Think of it as the stage where the play of your application and your application unfolds. Yan. Application platforms offers yan various tools to build that developers utilize to build applications. This includes development tools, yan, compilers, code editors, debuggers, libraries to streamline the development process para mas mapadali yung mga ginagawa nila. Yan, compilers, siya yung kumbaga, yung code, kumbaga diyan siya yung nag-aano ng code mo. Kino-compile niya yon tapos para ma-translate siya into machine language. Yan, code editors, dito kami gumagawa ng mga ah, dito namin ginagawa yung um, nagko-code kami, yan, programming language. Gumagamit ng programming language. So, code editors, yan. Doon kami yun yung environment na ginagamit natin. Yan, debuggers, yan. APIs, Application Programming Interfaces, provides standard ways for application to interact with the platform and other systems. Yun, siya yung kumbaga nagsisilbing dinadaanan ng data para makapunta sa iba't ibang susuplayan na front end or kahit saan man na UI na user. Yan, frameworks, pre-built components, yan. Kumbaga, hindi na nagko-code yung mga developers from scratch. Meron na silang ginagamit na frameworks para mas mapadali yung pagko-code nila or paggagawa ng mga applications. Yan, running and managing applications. Once built, the platform provides the environment for application to run. Yan, execution services. Hinahandle niya yung deployment and execution of application, ensuring they function as intended. Manage data services. Manage and store. So, dito natin nilalagay yung mga data by the application. Offering features like storage, retrieval, and security. Yan, OS, operating system, syempre. Provide the core infrastructure which the application runs. Din kasi nagra-run yung ating application. Like computers, operating system, or cloud platform. So, example of application platform. Yan, mobile platform, Android and iOS provide frameworks and tools for building mobile apps. So, tulad ng React Native, yan, cross-platform na siya. Flutter, so marami pang iba. Web development platform, Node.js para sa server. Python's Django, ganun din. And Ruby on Rails para sa mga back-end part. Yung mga sa front-end naman, yung mga nakikita natin na design or nakikita natin mismo sa website, nakita ng mata natin, yun yung ginagamitan ng React.js. Ano pa? Kahit ano pa, pwede ding pure HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Yan. Cloud platform, Microsoft Azure, yung Amazon Web Services, and cloud platform, GCP provides infrastructure and services for building and deploying applications. Yan. Ang kadalasan may mga bayad, yan, lalo na sa mga hosting ng website, pero may mga libre din naman. Benefits of using application platform. Faster development, pre-built tools and services accelerate development time. Reduce complexity kasi nga kung from the scratch nga yung gagawin ng developer, sobrang matagal, tsaka mahirap gawin. Improve scalability. Yan, platform can adapt to changing needs, allowing for easy scaling or up and down or down. Kasi nga may ginagamit na tayong mga framework na ano na kaagad siya. Kumbaga, di mo na kailangang isipin masyado yung complexity. Ano na siya, flexible na siya on change kahit mag ano-ano ka. Increase efficiency, standardize processes and feature, ensure efficient development and deployment. Yan. So, technologies and frameworks. Yan. Ito yan. Sa web development, React.js, tulad sinabi ko, mga front-end, yan, back-end, Express, Django, para sa Python, Flask, Python din, Spring Boot, Java, yan, mga framework na yan. Kumbaga, di kan, yan, mga language kasi na to, yan, ito is ano yan, mga pure programming language yan. So, ito mga framework na yan or mga library ito nito Express.js for Node.js. Node.js hindi siya programming language, runtime environment siya. Yan. Mobile app development, iOS, yan, UIKit, Swift, yan, sa native Kotlin, yan, cross-platform, tulad sinabi ko, React Native, Flutter, tapos may isa pa Xamarin.net pala siya. Yan, desktop app development, yan, Electron, JavaScript, so marami pang iba. So yan, kung makikita nyo, na sinasabi lagi yung programming language, yan, kung ano yung programming language, kasi ayun naman talaga yung pinaka kumbaga ano ng framework na kaya nakakagawa ng mga ano to, yung mga framework or application platform na ginagamit natin para mas mapabilis yung development. Serverless, yan, Lambda, so yun, supports various languages. Yan. So, yun lang sa part ng technologies and frameworks. Yan. MyText, yung kadalasan na ginagamit ko for building web app or website. Laravel, dito na pang ano na kagad siya, front end and back end na yung inaano ko dito sa Laravel. Pero pwede din siya partneran ng React. To. Ito naman, ano to, collection na to, tech stack na, isang tech stack agad to, pang full stack na agad siya. May front end ka na, may pang back end, may database. Ayun, React Native for mobile. Yan, ayun yung ano ko. So, thank you.